I never imagined I was going to live in China. Because of the connection that I have with Shenzhen, I will never change this city. There are so many things I like about this city. I remember I came to this city 5 years ago. It was 2015, and 5 years have been enough to see huge changes and huge improvements in the lifestyle in Shenzhen. 5 years maybe it's just not a long time, but in Shenzhen it's a huge amount of time, and it's enough to make huge and great improvements in the quality of life. Especially in the district where I work at, it's Nanshan. They're building like so many parks, so many infrastructure. They design these places to be environmental friendly. They make it for people. They make it for people to walk around, to enjoy a sunset, to ride a bike, and this is important. I've been to many other cities in the world. I've been to many other cities in China. All these cities are very beautiful, but for me, because of the connection that I have with Shenzhen, I will never change this city. I remember the first time I arrived here in Shenzhen airport, it was like a huge, good impression. And when I arrived at this airport, I was like, wow, I was really impressed because the structure is really beautiful, it's brand new. And I was thinking to myself, wow, if this is the airport, this is just like the very first impression I got of the city. I cannot think of what I'm going to find later when I start exploring the city. And yeah, I was right. I was absolutely right when I went outside and I started visiting the parks and visiting the shopping malls, visiting the museums. I was like, wow, this is a very unique city. It's very beautiful. And what is more important, what has more merit, it's the fact that they built the whole thing in just 4 years. Like 40 years ago, none of this existed. All this is brand new, and that is huge. That's a huge thing. So another good thing that I like about the city is the location. It's just so close to huge metropolis. So close to Guangzhou and Macau and Hong Kong and Zhuhai. You basically have infinite options for amusement, for having fun, for going out. And I don't know, Shenzhen is like from the future. I've never been in a city like this, like seriously. It's just turned 40 years old a few days ago. And they're very proud of what they've done here. They had a huge, beautiful light show, like a huge drone display at night in one of my favorite parks, and that was massive. That was awesome. That was huge. It was absolutely beautiful. That was stunning. So take a look to this show, this exhibition they made with drones, and let me know what you think, because I think And one of the reasons I also decided to make these videos in YouTube is trying to tell the world about the city, try to show the world what this city is. Because I think around the world, Shenzhen is not very well known. When I tell my friends or I tell anybody I live in China, they immediately ask if it's Shanghai or Beijing or Hong Kong, like the biggest cities in China. They know it's Shenzhen. They're like, Shenzhen? What is that? What is that? I remember one friend asked me if that was like a little village in China. And it was like, no, absolutely not. This is almost 14 million people city. It's a very big city in southern China. I'm planning to make more videos about lifestyle in Shenzhen. I'm planning to keep showing the world about the culture, about food, about what is interesting here in China, specifically mostly in Shenzhen. Also to show about my travels in my channel. So if you like my video, please a like will be highly appreciated. Comment in the comment box below if you have any suggestion or any question about life in China or in Shenzhen. Subscribe to my channel for more content in the future. It's my home. It's a place that I love. It's a place that I don't want to leave.